It's the new year. How are you going to take care of your skin? Maybe you're wanting to start a new routine, or you've got a good routine. You just want to make sure you're including all the pieces. But I'm going to show you my top 3 anti-aging things that I do to my clients here in my treatment room, no matter where they are in their skincare journey. Stay tuned. That's coming up next. Welcome back. Christine Byer here, licensed esthetician for 21 years. And on this channel, we talk all about skincare journeys because it's never just one thing that makes your face look better. It's usually a combination of things that makes your skin look better. So in my treatment room, the way I deal with all clients is I am doing targeted massage, I'm doing high performance products, and devices, right? So in that order. The reason I say this is I think that massage and good high quality skincare that has a lot of nourishment is important to get things going before we start throwing devices at our skin. Otherwise, it feels like you're not going to get your best results with your devices. You're asking your skin to run a marathon, but you're not taking out the trash or clearing out the lymph with massage, and you're not feeding it extra nutrition to train for that marathon. So, and the marathon, of course, are the devices. So we need to introduce targeted massage, high performance products first, and they can be introduced at the same time, and then start looking around for our devices. And it's funny, they were saying, I was reading a beauty update. This was a couple of years ago, and they were saying that as many hair devices as people have, they are going to have that many skincare devices in their bathrooms. So I think we're going to need bigger bathrooms. But yeah, as many hair devices as people have, they're going to have that many or more skincare devices. And I think it's true. I mean, I obviously probably have more skincare devices than hair care devices, but you guys, I got my hair cut last week. I leave, I look amazing. She styles it all, hipster and very cool. And then I try to recreate it today. No, I guess that's why she's the pro. So I'm the pro in skin. So let me tell you, these are the 3 steps that, yes, I apply to all my clients in order to get the best anti-aging results. So I like high performance products. The products that I use tend to do double, triple, quadruple duty and anti-aging the skin. Targeted massage. Massage is so important because we can put all the creams on the face, but if your fascia is really stuck down from years and years of really never having your face massaged, because how often do we massage our face? I mean, if you're my follower, yes, you massage it quite a bit, but normally, who massages their face? Nobody. Facial expressions etch into our face over time, and you can't Botox away every single wrinkle. So here is where I come in. I am always working on releasing areas of the face that cause wrinkling. And if you have a wrinkle, you have stuck fascia, period. So, and then after that, we start to introduce devices. And I like to introduce devices one at a time, although that doesn't always happen because in the United States, we're like, more is better, more is more. So if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. Welcome to Skincare Aficionados, new and seasoned. And this is what it takes. I remember when I started out as an esthetician, I was just like, oh my God, how do I make these people look better? And I had lots of massage, but some of it was right. I had a mean lymphatic drainage massage. I could really massage people. I did a mean scalp massage. But the finer work that I teach on this channel and sort of the whole facial contouring massage from Jane Mann, that is what released that stuck fascia, and that stuck fascia is what sort of shuts down the face, starts making the wrinkles and gives us the puffiness and gives us that dull looking skin. So when we release all of that, we start to look, the skin looks better and fresher and can drain, and yeah, and then it's ready for all this other stuff we do to it. So, and then high performance products, you guys know I talk about the product lines that I choose to carry, that I pay lots of money for to keep here in my office, in my back bar to work on clients. You know, I don't want to just throw any junk on clients' faces. I mean, as estheticians, we are so persnickety about our lines. It's a major investment for us. So I've always got my eyes out for the new and the exciting, but I want what's time-tested, science-driven, and has shown results on my clients over and over. Those are the companies I want to work with. And lastly, devices, yes. I think that there are some exciting devices coming out every single day, but your basics are going to be LED, they're going to be microcurrent, they're going to be maybe radio frequency and ultrasound. Those are some of the basics that are tried and true, that really get results in the skin. And I think the last thing I haven't talked about is consistency, because all these things done in spurts don't really work very well. It's consistency. So it's years and years of washing your face at night and applying all your products and finding a routine that works with you. Lately I tend to migrate towards devices that are fast, because I do all this work on my clients here and I feel like I use so many devices in a day. I want something that works on my own skin fast. So if you're just starting out, just know, take it easy. It's okay. It's a journey. You're going to find the right products and devices, and massage. Do not forget massage, because it is so important in your anti-aging journey. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye now.